Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be testing out a really cool primer. I have been excited to try this out. I was going to wait and do kind of a testing like 5 different primers video, but I can't hold back. I want to put this to the test on camera, and what we're talking about is from Origins, and this is a foam primer. It kind of looks like a bottle of mousse that you would use in your hair for volume. You get 1.8 ounces in here. I'm curious how much I use because this is a $32 primer. No, it's not my Guerlain crazy priced primer, but it's not cheap either. This is expensive. So I just want to find out if it makes my foundation that I wear almost every day of my life, my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion, if it makes it any better and minimizes my pores and brightens the skin the way it says it does. The big ingredient in this product is the willow herb, and it is said to combat dullness. So it's gonna make your pores look great, but also combat dullness. And actually, that's why I use a bunch of different primers. I use a pore filling primer, typically like right here, here, just like my T-zone. It gets a little bit oilier. And then I like to use a more hydrating primer like the Bobbi Brown or my Guerlain on the rest of my face. But today, we're gonna test just this out. I'm not using any other primer, just this. Gonna do the full glam, the full thing, and then I will check in with you guys at the end of the day. Shake well and dispense onto fingertips, smooth on after moisturizer and before your makeup. Would you put it on after your makeup? Probably not. Directions sometimes are a little excessive, right? Warning, flammable, aerosol, pressure container. Don't smoke while you're doing your makeup with this primer. You could find yourself in trouble. It says, what else you need to know? As early as your 20s, skin starts to change. It loses its luster and needs some extra help to bounce back from everyday stress. That's because of something called carbonylation. It's a protein change that can lead to dullness. That's where willow herb comes in. It helps inhibit the dullness causing protein change and restores your natural gorgeous glow. Really interesting. I'm not sure how deep a topical primer can really help that change long term, but that's interesting. And a lot of people seem to like this. All right, so I'm gonna just dispense. I feel like a lot's gonna come out. Oh my gosh, how crazy. It is freaking freezing. Okay, now I'm just playing with it just because I'm investigating right now. Don't mind me. But I am gonna tap a little. Maybe that's too much. It's actually quite thick and it's not just watery. It feels really nice, actually. I like the way this feels. And you guys know I am so picky with primers. My whole thing with primers is I find them very, very useful. A lot of people think that primers do nothing, but to me, prepping your skin makes your makeup last longer. It makes it look better. It makes it blend better. I always use a primer like religiously, and you'll see in the description box of every single one of my videos, you can expand that and you will see pretty much the same primers over and over and over, because when I find something that works, especially with a primer, I keep using it because I don't want irritation on my skin, I don't want clogged pores, and I, of course, want my foundation, more than everything, to just look really good all day long. So this actually feels incredible. So far, I'm really impressed. And the next thing to do is just go in with my foundation and see if it helps application at all. It's hard to tell right away with a primer. I mean, you definitely can feel what you're feeling when you put it on, but as far as seeing how it's really going to react with your foundation, it does have to do more, in my opinion, with how it wears all day long. So, I mean, my foundation's going on pretty much the same as it always does. This is such a good foundation. So I'm definitely going to vlog a little bit and do check-ins with you guys, and we'll just see what happens. I'm pretty much home for the day. I'm doing a lot of customer service for Halo, and you guys, I have to tell you, all of the tweets that you guys are sending me and pictures of the bottle and just your excitement, it is making me so happy to know that you're happy with the product. And for those of you that have been taking it for about a week, when you're telling me that your skin is so moisturized and people are complimenting you and your husbands are noticing, and so much that you've ordered for your mom or your husband, like you'll notice little dry patches going away and your skin will feel more hydrated. Some people even say like their eyes feel more hydrated, just everything, your scalp. You know, I used to struggle a lot with eczema patches on my knuckles. I don't have that anymore. So Keep your before and afters coming. Let me know how you guys are doing with everything, and just know that I'm so appreciative. I really am. I really like this so far. You guys, I feel like it made my foundation a little bit more mattified, but not dry. I do feel like it helps with pores. I feel like everything kind of glided right on. The texture is really, like, really unique, you guys. Like, seriously. It's like, it's very loud, but it's so poofy. And it feels as cold as an ice cube. So when you put that on your skin, it does definitely kind of just like wake up your skin. This is not sponsored whatsoever. I think that's really, really cool. All right, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of concealer. Let's go down that path. See, not that I put primer underneath my eyes, but let's just do her up. You know what the other interesting thing about last week, you guys, was I started watching smaller channels more than I have in a very long time, and I loved that. I loved really checking in, hearing feedback, and then kind of going down this rabbit hole on YouTube of really exploring the beauty community in a way that I hadn't in a while. So I want you to leave in the comments, who do you guys watch that I may have not heard of that I should be watching? Like, who are you guys enjoying? Leave that in the comments below. Okay, I feel like everything's looking really, really good. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and I will be right back. This is a first impression, so I know I need to try this a few more times, but right now I am really, really impressed with how this made my face smooth, but a little bit tacky at the same time. And I feel like it did moisturize and fill in pores, which is kind of the product that I have been searching for. So we're gonna see how this wears the rest of the day. Additionally, if you enjoy this eye look, be sure to come back on Wednesday for full swatches of the Natasha Denona Tropic palette and this look. I'm gonna kind of break down how I created this look, but in this video, what I just want to see is how my foundation wears. So I'm going to vlog a little check-in with you guys, and we will just go from there. Hey you guys, so I thought I would do a little check-in right now because I actually have like 2 minutes to myself. I wanted to let you know that my foundation is wearing beautifully, and now that I've actually shot the inserts for the product and I played around with it a little bit more, I'm even more excited about it. I really like this. It's so nice. I will keep you guys posted with how it goes, but so far this is like 3.5 hours in and my makeup is still looking fresh and good. And you know, what more can you ask for? The primer so far is a hit. All right, you guys, this is the second primer check-in and I am still primed. There's really not anything exciting about a primer check-in, but my face still looks good. I like it. I'm gonna continue using this, so I think we may have a winner on our hands, but you guys know the drill. I'm gonna do another check-in because it's like 7. I've got a few more hours in me of makeup.
You look beautiful, baby.
Why, thank you.
I like your primer.
You can't even tell.
But your makeup looks great.
Thank you.
You're
It's
welcome.
not the primer, it's halo.
Oh, okay. I believe that.
Polka! Polka shell! Why are you causing all that noise, huh? What's your deal? Oh my god, leave you for 5 minutes. Can I have kisses? Kisses? Alright you guys, I'm in my bathroom. I really just want to actually wash my face and get the makeup off of me, but I have to show you. I just discovered in a drawer, randomly, like in the back, like one of the most underrated lip glosses of all time. Are you joking me? This is so good. It's from Benefit. Do they still have this? This is the sugar cookie gloss. What are you? You're magic. It's so glossy. Punch, pop, in sugar cookie. So good. Oh my gosh. All right, friends. It is the time of day where I have had about enough makeup and I'm ready to rip off the lashes. The makeup, well, I don't rip off my makeup, but I'm ready to wash my face. It is time. So I really like this primer. I love that it hydrated and minimized my pores because we all know I love that. I feel like I need both. That's a really loud plane. My skin looks good. The foundation held up so nicely and it's been on for like 10 hours. So I know I love my Laura Mercier, but it performed really beautifully today and I didn't need to use 2 primers, so that's a win. I will keep using this. I will keep you guys updated on how it goes. For now, as a first impression, I totally love it. But before I say Tati approved, I want to make sure that it agrees with my skin because this is something that, you know, it's a primer you reach for every single day. So stay stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are having a good one. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the thumbs up button. That would be very kind of you. All right, I love you all so much, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.